Yes, in this video, this is unit first of applied math students, class 11th. Name of this unit is numbers, quantification and numerical applications. In this unit, first topic is prime numbers, second is binary numbers, third is complex numbers, fourth is indices, logarithmic and anti-logarithmics, simple application of logarithmic and anti-logarithmic, and last is numerical problems on average, calendar, clock, time, work and distance, mensuration and seating arrangement. But now for this year 30% syllabus is reduced by board, so these two topics, prime numbers and complex numbers, are deleted from this unit. So we will do remaining topics of this unit. So let us start this chapter, this unit, with this topic, binary numbers. So in today's video I will explain this topic, binary number. You can do practice of this topic from any book which you have for applied maths. I am just explaining the topic, binary numbers. All of you know about decimal number system. In decimal number system, 10 digits, deci means 10. 10 digits are used from 0 to 9. But in binary number system, only 2 digits are used. By means 2. 2 digits are used and these 2 digits are 0 and 1. In this case 10 digits used, that's why base of decimal number system is 10, and in binary number system 2 digits are used, that's why base of binary number system is 2. So let us start this topic, binary number system. In this case, suppose any decimal number is given to you. How you will change this number in binary number? Suppose 63. This is any decimal number given to you, and we will change this 63 decimal number in binary number. So firstly divide 63 by 2. You will get quotient as 31 and remainder will be 1. Write down remainder here. Again this 31 is divided by 2. Why we are dividing it by 2? Because in binary number system base is 2, that's why you will divide it by 2. Now when 31 is divided by 2, quotient will be 15, and write down remainder here. In this column you will write down quotient, and in this column you will write down the value of remainder. Now again when 15 is divided by 2, then quotient will be 7 and remainder is 1. Again same process, quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Now quotient is 1 and remainder is also 1. Now you will write down these value of remainders in reverse form. You will start from here and you will write down in this way. You will start from this 1, then after that this 1, 2, 3, 4 more ones are here. This is the value of 63 in binary number system. You can write down like this: 63, this is decimal number, that's why base is 10. This is equals to this binary number, and in binary number base is 2. Means this 63 decimal number is equivalent to this binary number. So in this process, by using this process, you can change any decimal number into binary number. Take care of one thing, you will take these values of remainder in reverse form. Now see how you will convert any binary number to decimal. Means any binary number is given to you. If you want to change it in decimal number, suppose any binary number is 11001. This is any binary number. You want to change it in any decimal numbers, then process for this. Here you will multiply this last digit by 2 raised to power 0, then next digit by 2 raised to power 1. You will increase the power of 2 by 1, then this is multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. This 1 is multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. and this last one is also multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. Now simplify it. 2 raised to power 0, 1 into 1 1. 0 is multiplied by any number, it gives you 0. Here also 0 is multiplied by any number, it gives you 0. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 2 raised to power 4 16. 16 multiplied by 1, it gives you 16. Now 16 plus 8 24. 24 plus 1 25. So this is the decimal number of this binary number. Base in this case is 10. So this binary number is equivalent to this decimal number. So in this way, if any binary number is given to you, you can change it in decimal number, and if any decimal number is given to you, you can change it in binary number. Now see arithmetic of binary numbers, means how you will do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in case of binary numbers. Now see firstly addition. In case of addition, 0 plus 0, only 2 digits are there in binary number. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, just like as decimal number. 0 plus 1 is also 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This is same just like as decimal number. Now see last, this is different. 1 plus 1 is in case of decimal number this is 2, but now in case of binary number system only 2 digits are used, 0 and 1. So 1 plus 1 it will be equal to this, but you will write down this 0 and this 1 you will take as a carry. You will take this as a carry to the next column. So now firstly I will explain one example of this topic, addition. I am explaining again. In case of addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0. You will write down this 0 and 1 you will take with next column as a carry. Now clear it with any example. Suppose you want to take this example, 1 plus 1 0 1. You want to add these two binary numbers, suppose. So now see what is the sum of this. Here 1 plus 1, this is equals to 0 and this 1 you will take as a carry here. Now 1 plus 1 again it becomes 1 0, 0 you will write down here, 1 you will take as a carry. Now 1 plus 1, this 1 plus 1 becomes 1 0. Now 0 plus 1 becomes 1 and this 1 remains as it is here. So sum of these two binary numbers will be equals to 1 1 0 0. In this way you can find out addition of any two binary numbers. Now see one example of subtraction of two binary numbers. In case of subtraction, just like as decimal number, 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is also equals to 0, and 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. But 0 minus 1, this is not equals to minus 1. In case of binary numbers, 0 minus 1, this is equals to, here in this case you cannot subtract 1 from 0, so you will take 1 borrow from left column, then it becomes 1 0, and 1 0 minus 1 it gives you 1. So in case of 0 minus 1 you will take 1 borrow from previous column. So now see, clear it with one example of subtraction of two binary numbers. Suppose you want to subtract 1 1 0 from this number. We want to subtract, suppose 1 0 1. Now in case of subtraction you cannot subtract 1 from 0, that's why you will take 1 borrow from here. After taking borrow it becomes 1 0. Now 1 0 minus 1 it becomes 1. Here after giving 1 borrow it becomes 0. 0 minus 0, this is equals to 0, and 1 minus 1 is also 0. So answer is 0 0 1. In this way you can find out a difference of two binary numbers. Now see multiplication of any two binary numbers. In case of multiplication, this is just like as a decimal number. It's very simple. In case of multiplication, 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0 is also 0. 0 into 1 is 0. And 1 into 1, just like as decimal number, this is equals to 1. So multiplication is very simple. Very easily you can find out multiply of two binary numbers. Suppose you want to multiply two binary numbers. Numbers are 1, 0, 0, 1. You want to multiply this binary number with 1, 0, 1. Firstly, this 1 is multiplied with this number. 1 into 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 1. Now here you will take multiply sign just like as decimal number system. Now 0 is multiplied with all these digits, it becomes 0. Now this 1 is multiplied with these, it becomes 1, 0, 0, 1. And in the last step, sum of these, this is 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, and this is 1. So this is the multiplication of two binary numbers. Now see division of two binary numbers. In case of division, you will divide 0 by 1, just like as decimal number, this is equals to 0, and 1. 1 is divided by 1, this is also equals to 1. But in this case you will not divide any digit by 0 because this is not possible, just like as a decimal number. In case of decimal number, if you divide any number by 0, it gives you not defined result. So here also you will divide 0 and 1 digit by only 1, not by 0. So now see one example of division. Suppose you want to divide 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1 by binary number 1, 1, 1. Now if you take these three digits 1, 0, 1, this 1, 0, 1 number is smaller than this. That's why you will take first 4 digits in this case. Now this is multiplied by 1, it will be 1, 1, 1. Now just like as decimal number, subtract this 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. You cannot subtract 1 from 0, so you will take 1 carry here, it becomes 10, 1, 0, not 10, 1, 0, and 1, 0 minus 1, it gives you 1. Now you will take this next digit here, just like as decimal numbers. After taking this 1 here, now this is multiplied by either 1 or 0. You will multiply it by 1. When you will multiply it by 1, it becomes like this. Again subtracting 0, 0 minus 1 you cannot subtract, you will take 1 carry here, then from here it becomes 1, and this is 1 minus 1, it becomes 0. And now if you take this 1 here, this 1, 0, 1 number is smaller than this, so that's why this will be the value of remainder, and this is not divisible by this. After taking this 1 here, you will write down 0 for this 1, or you can multiply this by 0, it will be same, means this is the value of remainder and this is the value of quotient in case of divide. So in this way, if any binary number is given to you, you can change it in decimal. If any decimal number is given to you, you can change it in binary numbers. And next, arithmetic binary means you can add, subtract, multiply and divide any two binary numbers. So in binary number topic you will do only this much, and practice you can do from any book.